G'day, mates. I'm sure many of you can relate to this. You know what that is, don't you? Yeah, you felt it before. It's the old lady giving you the elbow to the ribs, trying to get you to roll off your back because you're snoring like a bloody freight train and you're keeping her up all night. Well, here's a little technique you can try that will put an end to those razor sharp elbows, and boy are they sharp. These O2 rings have a vibrate alert feature. So if you only snore when you're on your back, you can set up the ring to vibrate and alert you to change position. Far more enjoyable than a razor sharp elbow to the ribs, that's for sure. It's super easy to do. Just monitor your blood oxygen levels one night when you're on your side and compare that data to when you're on your back. Find an appropriate level for the alert and you're good to go. Say hi to the missus for me. Cheers.